SVR IAS Online Academy welcomes you to the Current Affairs online video lectures. CommandIndia.com is our website. Under Target IAS 2016 online video lectures batch, we are providing prelims, mains and current affairs online video lectures. To get all the video lectures, visit our website CommandIndia.com. Let's start today's video lecture. Today's date is 26th December 2015. In today's video lecture, you will learn some important topics like internationalization of the yuan. Internationalization of yuan, that is China's currency, and Zimbabwe's adoption of the yuan as its main currency. And second topic is China-Nepal relations and its important recent developments. And third is Bangladesh, Russia, nuclear reactors pact, and CYCLODEXTRIN and its usage, why it was in the news recently, and the concept of minimum export price. Minimum export price. Let's start the video lecture. First, we will see about internationalization of Chinese currency, that is yuan. As you know, if you follow the newspaper regularly, you can understand that China is taking many steps to internationalize its currency called yuan. Recently, International Monetary Fund admitted yuan as one of the basket of preferred currency in the special drawing rights. In our economy video lecture, we will cover about special drawing rights, IMF structure, mandate in detail under Target IAS 2016 batch online video lectures. Recently, Zimbabwe also took a step to adopt Chinese currency, that is yuan, as the main currency for use. Zimbabwe will become the first country after China to use yuan as its currency in the domestic market. Why Zimbabwe adopted yuan as one of the main currency in the domestic market? In the last 2 years, Zimbabwe struggles from hyperinflation, and because of the hyperinflation, Zimbabwe released massive amounts of banknotes in 2009, and China for this aims to cancel the debt of $40 million to Zimbabwe because Zimbabwe is unable to pay the 40 million debt. Now let's discuss about CYCLODEXTRIN and its importance. CYCLODEXTRIN and its importance. This is important for the prelims exam. As you know, if air smells bad in your room, what you can do? You can opt for the air freshener. But what air freshener contains? That is CYCLODEXTRIN. CYCLODEXTRIN is present in the air fresheners and cleans the air pollutants. So because of that, air becomes fresh in any room. The same material, that is CYCLODEXTRIN, is used to clean the water. Recently, scientists used CYCLODEXTRIN to clean the water or water purification technology. CYCLODEXTRIN takes the pollutants that are present in the water at much faster rate when compared to the traditional activated carbon. The advantage of the activated carbons is that they have the large surface area than the polymers made from cyclodextrin, but the binding capacity of the cyclodextrin with the pollutants is very high. So recently scientists used cyclodextrin in the water purification technology and shows positive results. The main advantages of using cyclodextrin in the water purification technology is that it will remove the pollutants in seconds, so much faster compared to the activated carbons. Second is that cyclodextrin containing polymers are easier, it can be recycled easily and almost no loss in the performance. So prepare well about cyclodextrin and its features and comparison with the activated carbon, etc. Now let's discuss about China-Nepal relations and recent developments. Recently, Nepal decided to give free visas to visitors coming from China. It will help Nepal to rebuild its tourist industry. In April 2015, Nepal faced two devastating earthquakes which killed 9,000 people. Because of the earthquakes, Nepal's tourist industry is suffering a lot. To revive the tourist industry in Nepal, it took many steps. One of the steps is to give free visas to visitors coming from China. India is the largest source of tourists to Nepal. China accounts for second largest source of tourists to Nepal. India is the first and China is second largest source of tourists to Nepal. After earthquake, many countries gave warning to their citizens to stay away from Nepal because of the massive potential of earthquakes. China also gave warning to its citizens after April 2015 earthquake, but recently China lifted the Nepal warning, and after that Nepal granted free visas to the visitors coming from China. Another important development that happened in Nepal in recent times is the adoption of new constitution. New constitution was adopted, but Madhesi people are not satisfied with the constitution features and they started protesting and started blocking the fuel coming from the Indian border. Because of that, Nepal is facing acute fuel shortage and Nepal asked Chinese help to beat the acute shortage of fuel. How Nepal's tourist industry is important. Nepal is home to 8 of the world's 14 highest peaks. Nepal is home to 8 of the world's highest peaks. Totally 14 highest peaks are there. Out of 14, Nepal has 8. The topmost or you can say highest peak in the world is Mount Everest. Already Nepal announced free visas to almost all SAARC countries. Almost all SAARC countries. First, we will see about internationalization of Chinese currency, that is yuan. As you know, if you follow the newspaper regularly, you can understand that China is taking many steps to internationalize its currency called yuan. Recently, International Monetary Fund admitted yuan as one of the basket of preferred currency in the special drawing rights. In our economy video lecture, we will cover about special drawing rights, IMF, its structure, mandate in detail under Target IAS 2016 batch online video lectures. Recently, Zimbabwe also took a step to adopt Chinese currency, that is yuan, as the main currency for use. Zimbabwe will become the first country after China to use yuan as its currency in the domestic market. Why Zimbabwe adopted yuan as one of the main currency in the domestic market? In the last 2 years, Zimbabwe struggles from hyperinflation, and because of the hyperinflation, Zimbabwe released massive amounts of banknotes in 2009, and China for this aims to cancel the debt of 40 million US dollars to Zimbabwe because Zimbabwe is unable to pay the 40 million debt. Next, you will see about minimum export price. Minimum export price. Recently, central government has scrapped the minimum export price for onions. Minimum export price is nothing but a rate below which a commodity cannot be exported. Is a rate below which a commodity cannot be exported. Few months back, onion prices increased drastically. Because of that, government increased minimum export price for onion to 700 US dollars per ton. And recently, the onion prices came down and domestic production also increased, and because of that, Government of India scrapped the minimum export price requirement for onions. To prepare for IAS exam from your home or while working, join SVR IAS online academy, which provides prelims online videos, mains online videos, prelims 2016 test series, current affairs videos, and mains question and answers, etc. And we won't provide optional support. Optionals, we won't provide any support. To have any query, WhatsApp 809-809-9922. It's our number. Only WhatsApp is allowed. Thank you for watching our video lecture. Visit our YouTube channel and subscribe to it to get our all current affairs videos. And visit our website commonindia.com for more updates and free MCQs, etc. Thank you.